Welcome to day 10. Welcome to cake day. It's chocolate cake day, guys. I can eat this chocolate cake over and over and over again. And guess what? It's so easy to make, so let's get right into it. So in your bowl, add in a cup of flour, half cup of cocoa powder, not the sweetened one though, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and do exactly what I'm doing now because sometimes our flour tend to have this funny particles in them. So if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. And if you're wondering what's going on here, we are on this 30-day birthday challenge, and this is actually the first day of my birth month. Yay! Happy birthday to me in advance, and to my real OGs, to my day one family. Thank you so much for always coming around. Thank you for your support. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm so glad to have you all here. If you've been following my recipes, you will know that this is not the first time I'm uploading this video. And this is not me reading out of ideas. No. This is just me not accepting the fact that this video is worth just 50 views. No, it's not. This is my special recipe, and this video has been stuck at 50 views for the past 1 year, and I decided to do something crazy to this video. I decided to delete it and re-upload, and that's what I'm doing just now. And when you talk about lawmakers being lawbreakers, I think I am lawbreakers personified, because I always preach not to break in your egg directly, but I find myself doing that almost all the time. And my excuse is I actually know how to identify the fresh eggs, blah 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 blah. Guys, don't mind me, I do that all the time. Maybe I'm just a hypocrite. So back to the recipe, I'm just going to drop every single lipid that I added into that recipe. I'm going to drop it in the description and also in the comment section for easy access. I just talk a lot, so forgive me. This particular one is optional. You can decide to use it or skip it, but it was actually nice. I just made use of 2 tablespoons of those lemon juice. It was nice. And I also made use of that green part of the lemon. I also grated it into the cake. Everything lemon. So guys, after adding every single ingredient we have on our list, here is our last and special ingredient. It's actually coconut flakes. It added to the texture of this cake. It was really nice. Yeah, everything all together, put together, it was really nice, moist, and that little bit of crunchiness in between, it was heavenly. So let's just go ahead and grease our pan. Don't forget, okay, if possible, after greasing your pan, dust it with flour, with a little bit of flour, because this cake can be crazy. It can be funny at times because of the texture. It's not the usual vanilla cake. We know this one, especially when it's moist, when you make the recipe moist and all of that, it tends to stick to the pan a lot. So you have to do everything within your power to see that it doesn't stick to the pan, because if you are to decorate it and you let it stick to the pan, it's gonna be a total disaster. So yeah. And we are baking with firewood. Why didn't I mention that earlier? We baked with firewood, and oh my god, my mom has suffered. I've almost used all my mom's pots to bake, and she always shout, and I will still go back to do it again. What do you want me to do? And just like that, ta-da, we are done. See you tomorrow. Bye.